Only twice. Only one person. Only one person ever went to the hospital.
Only one person?
Only one person.
It's only one person?
Yep.
Okay, someone's at the door.
More than one person.
This woman.
Okay. All right. Hey, say it with me, okay? Hickory dickory dock. When it comes to fractions, I rock. To multiply, just go across. Reduce before it's a lot. To divide a fraction, you flip. Add and subtract is a trip. Bottom the same, just do the top. Now I'm the one giving a tip. Griffin, number 1. Bottom the same.
5.
Just do the top.
5. 1.
5 over 5 is 1. Number 2, Cody. Bottom the same. 9. Just do the top. 6. That will reduce to 2/3. Gavin, number 3. Bottom the same. 11. Just do the top. 1. 1 over 11. Emily, number 5. Bottom the same. And this is why add and subtract is a trip. Okay? Now, I know some of you know what to do, but I also know that some of you don't know what to do, so here's what I need you to do. Put your hands down. All right? Okay? Now, add and subtract is tricky because the bottom has to be the same. And if it's not, we've got some problems. Here's what I need to do. I have to make the bottom the same. So, first thing I'm going to do, look at the smaller number and ask if there's a number that I can multiply to get this. Emily, can I multiply this by something to get that? 6 times what is 18? No, one small. 3. Okay. So, I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3. So, Kyler. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 6 is 18. And now I'm able to do it, okay? So, multiply the smaller number by something to get the bigger one. 1 plus 15 is 16. And the bottom stays the same. Now, I can reduce this to 8 over 9. So, I'd like everybody to do number 6. Once again, add and subtract is a trip. Right here, the bottom numbers are not the same. So, think what you have to multiply that 5 by to get 15. Okay, Peyton, what do I need to multiply 5 by to get 15? 3. So if I multiply this by 3 over 3, this becomes 3 over 15. So Bailey, bottom the same,
15.
just do the top,
4.
4. So we've got 4 over 15. Now, those are the easier ones. These are the harder ones. Look at number 9. Remember what I told you to do. Look at the smaller denominator and ask if there's something we can multiply this by to get this. Is there a whole number, Tristan, that we can multiply 6 by to get 8? No, there's not. Okay? So here's what we have to do. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. I'm going to show you a quick way, and I'm going to show you an easy way. All right? And you can decide which you want, a quick way or an easy way. The quick way, you have to find the least common multiple. Okay, so I'm pretty good at multiplying. If you're pretty good at multiplying too, maybe you can do this. What is a number, Lyndon, that both of these can go into? 24. Okay, 24 is the least common multiple. So I can multiply this one over here by 3 over 3. And this one, what do I need to multiply this one by? 4. To get 24 on the bottom, I need to multiply this by 4 over 4. So this side, 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, bottom the same, 24. Just do the top. 21 minus 4 is 17. So I've got 17 over 24. Like I said, that is the quick way. Now, if you are not good with multiplication, let me show you the easy way. All right? Here is the easy way, and it will always work. Okay? Always work. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this one by this, and this one by this. I'm going to basically cross them. So this one over here, I'll multiply by 6 over 6. This one over here, I'll multiply by 8 over 8. You see how I'm basically switching these to multiply them? So on top, 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. And 1 times 8 is 8. Now, bottom the same. Just do the top. 42 minus 8 is 34. Now, I need to look at this, and I can reduce this. I can divide it by 2. So this is going to be 17 over 24. Okay, so you can choose what you want to multiply by. Yes?
So, when you multiply the cost, you just multiply the fraction by the denominator?
Correct. Multiply the fraction by the other denominator. Okay, that's all you have to do. Like I said, that's the easy way. Yes?
You will still get the same answer if you get the quickest way?
Yep. What the difference is, if you take it to the least common denominator, if you do the quick way, you won't need to reduce it at the end. If you do it the easy way, you might have to reduce, but you're going to get there. All right? My suggestion is to do it the easy way. All right? That's my suggestion. If you see it right away, you can go ahead and do it. All right? Do number 11 for me. You can either find the least common multiple, or you can multiply the first one by 4 and the second one by 6. Okay. Bryce, did you do the quick way or the easy way? Easy way, okay. So you multiplied this one by 4 over 4, and this one by 6 over 6. So, Bryce, 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. Jaylee, 3 times 6 is 18, and 4 times 6 is?
24.
All right. Now, bottom's the same. Just do the top. 20 minus 18, Jaylee, is what? 2. And Amy, 2 over 24 reduces to 1/12. All right? Now, let's say that we did number 15. Okay? This one, actually, I don't know, I won't go there today. We'll do those tomorrow. Okay? I have a comic for you. Now, just a little setup for this, a little background knowledge. Before everybody had a phone or a GPS, you actually had to read a map and sometimes stop and ask for directions. And so you would stop at a gas station to get directions. Alright, so that's your background knowledge. So you see we got the aliens there asking for directions. It says, shoot, you not only got the wrong planet, you got the wrong solar system. I mean, a wrong planet I can understand, but a whole solar system? Yes. It's like, man, you are lost. You are really lost. I could understand if you were a little lost. But this lost? Like, you can't even find the right solar system? It's like you just drove halfway across the United States in the wrong direction. I was really scared that nobody would get that. Nobody got that?
I got it.
I got it.
Yeah? Who got it?
I
Hey?
mean, I kind of got it.
Fill me in. Fill me in. Movie quote. Did you guys see that? Everybody? Well, he's in the wrong place, but he's really in the wrong place. Right? Like if I ask you a question, if I ask you what 3 times 2 is and you tell me 5, or you tell me 27, I'm like, really? You know, I could understand 5.